Hello everyone, I am Mithila Hasan and today the topic of my poster is descriptive analysis of shared e-scooter and e-bike usage pattern in Birmingham, Alabama. So all of the analysis for this poster was done under the supervision of Dr. Virginia Sisifiku, and the data collected for this poster was from VIO and the city of Birmingham and was financially supported by US DOT and STRIDE project. E-scooter and e-bikes are recent addition to transportation field. They are affordable, confident, and easy to use. The objective of this study were to perform comparison between e-scooter and e-bike trip characteristics and to determine the demand for shared micromobility services in Birmingham region. The data collected for e-scooter were from 1st of July 2021 to 1st of July 2022, and for the e-bikes it was collected from 2nd of December 2021 to 1st of July 2022. The pilot area for VO was city of Birmingham, and which has a population of 2 lakhs. And here we can see one picture of Astro e-bike and one picture of Cosmo e-bike, and the service area and the coral location. Here we can see that. After cleaning up, trips from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., trips with a distance equal to 0 and less than 0.01 miles, and trips with average speed more than 15 mile per hour, we got the total e-scooter trips were 81,000 and total e-bike trips were 14,000. For the micromobility trip, from this graph, we can say that the average daily proportion for e-bikes was 23% and for the e-scooter is 77%. Here we can see that most of the trips were done on the weekends than on weekdays for both e-scooter and e-bikes. Here, the highest number of trips made by the scooter and e-bikes were respectively in the month of September and June. And from this analysis, we can say that most of the e-bike trips were made in the fall season and e-bikes in the spring season, and the percentage of trips was the lowest during the winter season. This service operates between 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. and most of the trips were made between 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. for both e-scooter and e-bikes. 41.9% of the e-scooter trips and the 34.8% e-scooter trips had trip distances less than 1 mile, and only 2% of the trips had trip distances more than 9 miles. Here we can see that most of the trip duration was less than 10 minutes for e-scooter and e-bikes. So for the conclusion, e-scooter were ridden more frequently by users than e-bikes. Most trips were between 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. on weekends and on the warmer months of the year. More than 50% of the trips were short distance trips and with a trip duration of 10 minutes. The future of this scope of this study would be to calculate the utilization rate of each individual vehicle and analyze the origin destination pattern and determine the traffic stress level. Thank you so much.